DMC is not an exclusive club. You can also bridge Bluetooth units into the DMC party. Let's see how. First step, pair the Bluetooth unit to your PACKTALK Bold. Switch your PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode by pressing the intercom and phone buttons together. Please make sure music streaming is turned off before switching modes. This unit should now flash blue, meaning it is in Bluetooth mode. Activate Bluetooth pairing by pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds or until you hear the third beep. Activate the other unit's Bluetooth pairing and let them pair. PACKTALK has universal pairing, which means you can pair it with any Bluetooth headset of any brand. More on universal pairing later on. Good. The two units are now paired in Bluetooth. Toggle PACKTALK back to DMC mode by pressing the intercom and phone buttons together. Make sure the indicator light switches from blue to green. Back in a DMC group intercom, click on that intercom button and your preset Bluetooth bridge is now a part of the party. Please note that a bridged unit needs to be in close proximity. Bridging works best in a rider-to-passenger scenario. Please note that this type of Bluetooth connection also applies for non-Cardo Bluetooth intercoms. For universal pairing, watch the universal pairing tutorial at the end of this video. PACKTALK is equipped with universal connectivity, which means it can connect to any one of these brands. Let's see how. To activate universal pairing, start by switching your PACKTALK to Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Then activate Bluetooth pairing and hit the phone button.
Cardo gateway pairing.
On whichever non-Cardo device you use, start mobile phone pairing. This way you can pair a Sina or an Interphone
Paired successfully.
or a Uclear
Paired successfully.
or any other brand you choose to use. That's it for now. To make the most out of your PACKTALK Bold, grab the pocket guide and look inside.